This is a new application where we can design interface using frame layout. So first we understand what is frame layout. Frame layout is a layout or view group in which we can display a single child. And now you can see real application in your mobile when you want to view your image by using the frame layout. So you can view all images but one by one. So now you can see first image, then you can click on tab, you can see second image, then again you can click on tab, then you can see third image. So one by one you can display multiple images by using frame layout. So it basically used to display a single child view. So let's we develop such kind of the application in Android Studio. So this is the new project, and now in this project we select speed mode window, and here we convert constraint layout into the frame layout. This is the frame layout, and now here we want to use multiple images. So for that purpose we select multiple images, and paste drawable folder in the resource folder. So here we paste all the images. Now you can see here there are many images. Okay, so now we want to use these images in frame layout. Okay, so now image view, we drag and drop on screen. So now you can select a particular image like this one. So by default it plays top left position, so no problem. And again we select second image, and we select different image, and now again we select third image view, and we select this image. So now we are using 3 images. Okay, so it depends on the size, it's automatically direct. So now we open speed mode, and here we have to write some code for understanding. So first one, text view. Here we write text example of frame layout. So now we are not only creating the interface, we develop the applications. Example of frame layout. We don't need these constants. We remove. And width we use match parent. Use text size. Use text color. So now you can select from this. Now it's not visible. You select a different color. Okay. Now it's not clear. Better we select from this tab where you can see different color, and we want to select like this color, and I hope it's visible. Text view. Let's we see, and what we have to do now. Here we want to use layout gravity, and we want to show that image on center. Now you can see. Okay, the same for the second image again. And here one more thing. Now we use match parent. Okay, and okay, I think so. Again, we want to use common attribute for all images. So now width match parent, size 239 dp, and layout gravity center. So it will overlap. And now we want to show that image on whole width, because there is some gap in left and right hand side. So we can use one more property, scale type, and here you can use center crop. So I hope you understand. This is the first image. This is second image. So now it will overlap, because through frame layout you can display a single child view. I hope you understand. So now you can see only one image at a time, but we use some code so you can see multiple images. The same for third image. Now match parent, size 239 dp. Okay, and layout gravity center, and one more property, scale type. So why we use scale type? So now it will go by whole width. So now it would be better we use this attribute in all images. Okay, and suppose if you want to sorry, center crop, center crop, center crop. Okay. So now this is the, and if you want to increase the size, suppose height, if you want to increase, so now you have to increase in all the images. So it's visible same width and height. So now 353, like we use 350 dp. Okay, so now 350 dp we have to use here, and 350 dp we have to use in third image. Okay, and this is the example of frame layout. So now here we use top margin like 30 dp. I think it's better. Okay, and these three images we want to see in your applications. So for that purpose we have to write the code. So let's we open main activity.java. So now first we know the ID. So now the first image view, second image view 2, and third image view 3. So let's we write a code. Image view I1, I2, I3. We create 3 objects. Okay, and we want to perform event handling, so that's why we have to implement view dot on click listener, which contain one method on click. So we have to use this method to show all images one by one in this application. So now we connect these objects with the control. We have to write here find view ID method, and connect image view okay. So I hope you understand. We connect all image control with this image view object, and now here we have to use set on click listener this for the second object and third object I1, I2, I3. Okay, so we call this method, so we can write code in the on click method. So now here if v equal to I1, so now here we have to write 2 lines of code. What? I1 dot set visibility. Now this is a very important line, and through this line we can see multiple images, one images at a time, but when we click on that particular image we can tap on that particular image, so that image will be gone and other image will be displayed. So now how we can write this code? So for that purpose we are use two line of code, view dot gone and view dot visible. So now what we have to do, we write code. So now by default it's show particular image. Now like suppose third image, which one? Now this is the image view 3. So now that image will be displayed because image view always use the stack. So now last image on the top, so it will be visible. So image view 3, it is visible. So now if we want to execute, so that image will be displayed. So now here we have to write the code, and that is connected with i3. So now when we execute the program, that image will be displayed. So we will use the code view dot gone. So now third image will be gone. Okay, and we want to see second image. So now we have to write here i2 dot set visibility view dot visible. I hope you understand. So now third image, that image is basically visible when we execute. So that image will be gone, and second image will be displayed. And if second image display, again we write the code. If second image display means I2. So now I2 will be gone and I1 will be visible. I hope you understand. And the same case, if the first image is visible, so again first image will be gone and third image will be displayed. I hope you understand that sequence. So now that shows some error. Let's see. Okay, so there is no error. Let's see and execute this program. So now everyone understand what we are doing in this applications. Now we use frame layout. In this frame layout, obviously used to display a single child view. So now we want to display an image. And here we are using 3 images. And these images will be displayed one by one. So now this is the output of. So when we click on that image, you can see next image again. So now one by one, you can see all the images. I hope you understand the code. So this is the execution, and this is the application of frame layout. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.